Religion is one of those things that's pretty much a constant in just about any human society that you look at throughout history. But one of the things we still haven't figured out yet is like what the evolutionary purpose of it is and why it's, so much a part of human behavior. But I came across something recently that actually is a very compelling theory for why it exists, and it's actually its relationship to the social hierarchy. So I kind of want to dive into that in this video. Um, but before diving any deeper, if you're interested in like topics and content like this, definitely hit the like button and also consider subscribing and hitting the bell. Just lets me know, whether people care about, stuff like this, but also, gets these videos more spread out. Social hierarchies you see in just about every mammal society. You see it in chimps, dogs, and, you know, pretty much every single mammal society. And the evolutionary purpose of it, we kind of have a strong understanding of. Essentially, when you have a clear ranking of all the individuals in society, and especially have a top figure or an alpha, basically, um, individuals that might not otherwise acquire resources are able to acquire resources by paying respect and also providing some loyalty to individuals higher up in the ranking, right? And then as far as the head alpha, they sort of are able to provide a sense of stability and security by kind of being sort of a figure to rally behind, especially when there's like opposing tribes or other looming threats. There's like a one individual that individuals can go to sort of get a sense that things are okay. But in exchange for that, individuals have to pay respect and deference. There probably was some turning point in human history, or our ancestral history, where we acquired enough intelligence to start asking ourselves some uncomfortable questions or having some uncomfortable thoughts. Like, for example, like, okay, we have this leader, but they could die any second, right? Like, this individual could die at any point, and what do we do then? And so you kind of have this increasing awareness and existential awareness as you develop intelligence as a species. And so naturally, you could see how this sort of chaotic picture kind of enters, right? And so what instituting a deity into the picture does is that you kind of have this permanent alpha figure that is able to always supply those evolutionary benefits, right? Which include a sense of stability and safety and things like that. So no matter what, that's always there, because a deity or a god can never die, right? Whereas any individual can die. And yeah, so that sort of permanence is established, and it's like super fascinating because, not, like, if you look at it in that way, it's not that we're so much different from mammals, right? It's that with this particular behavior, we're just more exaggerated, right? Religion is just a more exaggerated form of social hierarchy behavior. Um, so yeah, super fascinating stuff. I like ran into this topic reading a book by Carl Sagan called Shadows of Forgotten Ancestors. Definitely recommend. Super good read. But yeah, I'm really curious to hear what you guys think. Yeah, drop some comments below.